Morning guys, this is Ian from Signal Centre. It's Monday the 30th of September 2019. Just going to break down the major currency pairs, highlighting some confluence areas, support and resistance, chart patterns, etc. On the docket today, we've got some figures from the UK, GDP coming in at I think it's 9:30 UK time, and then later on we've got the harmonised CPI consumer price index from Eurozone. So there's scope for some volatility today. Let's go to the charts and see what's going on. So the first chart that I've got up is euro dollar. This is an intraday chart. This is my focus this week. I've got a bespoke resistance level at 110.25, and that is very close to a previous swing high, which is at 110.24. We've seen a bit of a move to the upside already this morning. We've got a trend line resistance located at 109.53. A break there, and this move higher could well be underway. Next currency pair we're going to look at is sterling dollar. Just going to zoom out time frame here, see what's been going on. We've had a head and shoulders breakout to the downside, so this being the left shoulder, this being the right shoulder, this being the head neckline. Measured move target is down here at 122.52. Now we are seeing some upside pressure. It's mainly a dollar move this morning, so we are seeing some upside pressure similar to euro dollar in cable. But remember, we've got those GDP figures coming out in a while. We've got some bespoke resistance located at 123.55. The main focus, although we've bounced off this 50% fib level, the main focus is at 122.52, which is the measured move target for this head and shoulders breakout. One thing that we should note, we are more bullish on euro than we are on sterling, and that will be reflected when we go and see what's going on in the euro sterling chart. So next currency pair, dollar Swiss. Pretty mixed bag here. We've got a breakout of a wedge formation. We've had a retest of that breakout, but we've got some support levels down here. We've got 98.72, and then we've also got 98.50 and then 98.40. So although this looks like a head and shoulders pattern, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, really cautious about this confluence area down here. The measured move target for this wedge formation is down at 97.14. So we're still bearish, but really with quite a lot of caution. We're actually looking at selling a break of Friday's low trade. So dollar yen, and this is one I particularly like as well, but only for today. Let's just zoom the time frame out again. We've got this trend of lower highs. That's coming in at around about 109.31. Now, we've got some bespoke resistance located at 108.28, and like I said, it's only for today. Tomorrow that resistance actually falls off, so I'm wondering whether or not a rejection of the resistance level and then possibly coming lower in a free wave correction. Previous swing low obviously located over here around about 106.80 could in turn form a bullish reverse head and shoulders pattern, so left shoulder, head, or double head perhaps, and then a right shoulder here, and then moving back up to possibly break what is resistance at the moment, but like I said, will only be there for today. Dollar CAD, again, it's a pretty mixed picture. Signals aren't really strong in this currency pair. Looking for this triangle formation, so this was the support. We tried to sell into rallies on Friday, just missed our trigger level. We got lower highs, so it is looking like a descending triangle formation, but that dip was bought into. We've got some bespoke resistance located at 132.49 this morning. We've got a channel support located at 131.87, and then we've got the triangle target level around about 131.55. So at the moment, still looking at selling into rallies in dollar CAD. Aussie dollar, let's go to a bigger time frame again. Seeing some downward pressure overnight, but we've got very mixed, volatile trading in this currency pair. What I do like is that DMARC is posting a correction count on the daily chart today. That normally indicates that we'll at least see a correction to the upside, if not a trend reversal. Now, thinking about what the dollar's going on, or what's going on in the dollar at the moment, the US dollar, I still believe that Aussie dollar is going to see limited downside. So we're looking to this fib level, 261.8%, which is at 67.27 to take us higher. 68.48 is an intraday resistance level, but our medium-term resistance level, and what the focus that I'm really looking for this week is 70.21 in Aussie dollar. Euro sterling, I am personally long from Friday in this cross, and like I said, this is probably one of my favorite pairs to trade at the moment because we've got a lot lining up. We've broken out of a wedge formation to the upside. We've got a measured move target at 89.74. We've got bespoke resistance located at 89.67. Now we've got a 261.8% fib level, which is a normal target level for a Elliott wave formation, and that's located at 89.68. And we can also see that we're just hovering around this 161.8% extension level. So what normally happens is we get wave 1, wave 2, up in 3, mild move lower in 4, and then the last choppy leg to the upside in 5. We've got some support today located at 88.77. Euro yen, and the last one we're going to look at in this video. Let's zoom out, and this is a long-term play for me, because remember, I'm looking at a possible mild move to the downside in dollar yen, so there is scope for dips in euro yen. However, I think the dominating currency pair in this cross is going to be the euro, or at least I'm hoping it's going to be, for a stronger move to the upside. And again, we've got a confluence area. We've got a fib level 122.57. That's a 161.8% fib of this move. That would highlight that this move to the downside has been corrective, and hopefully a second wave, so wave 1, wave 2, and then the impulse move higher. I've got bespoke resistance very close to there at 122.67. So I'm looking to buy a dip today, and that's basically on a potential dip in dollar yen that I'm focusing on. So I'm looking at around about 117.52, which is the previous swing high. A break of the neckline, which is here, around about 120.11, and it will probably highlight or dictate that move to the upside in euro yen is already underway. Okay, guys, I hope you found that video informative, and we'll be back again soon with some more. Many thanks.